Hello there, this is Imi from iTradeAims.com. I am going to record a few live trades that I'm going to take on the small news account, which has been going on for a while. We're going to use on a separate PC. I have the EA running. I wanted to record that as well, but it's not available at the moment. The recording PC does not have the news trader, so we are using Snome's Steve's news trading EA. It will put a stop loss of 10 and a target point of 100, spaced 5 pips away from the current price at the next minute, the 29th minute. Usually what I do is I would not switch the EA on until the last 10 seconds. But that seems to cause some problems. Sometimes the market starts moving a few seconds earlier. That might cause unnecessary rent here and there, but in the longer term, that seems to work better. So I'm just gonna let it be. As you can see now, it's the 29th minute. So the EA has put pending orders 5 pips above and below of what the current price was at that time. Just gonna switch through the 4 pairs, and we find that GU, UJ, UCAD, all of them has their price. So if we're lucky and we get the 100 pip spikes, that'd be very nice. Otherwise, we will try to take whatever is available. So now I'm looking at the other screen and recording is rolling, and you will see my orders. As we can see, the initial spike is good and looks like it's stable, not reversing, so we'll just let it be. And the initial spikes are happening. Oh well. Didn't take the spikes. I wanted to actually take profit from the spikes, but didn't happen. Or maybe I should have let them roll, but I didn't. But that's fine. Didn't really make any substantial money, because by the time I exited, they had all pulled back. Oh, unfortunate. Now I can see that I should have let them run. As you can see, it's going stable. It might now continue and keep going, but I wanted to catch the initial spike, and the system was not fast enough to do that. Sometimes it kind of pulls back and starts going in the other direction, but all I'm interested in is in the initial spike. I want those spikes to be like 30, 40, 50, even up to 100 pips. And that didn't happen. So I quickly exited the trades, and it was just like 3 or 4 pips on each. No losers. All good, to be honest. Let's check custom period. Oh, it's disappeared somehow. Oh well, it's made 2%. Yeah, that's all right. Not bad at all. Although at one point it was about 5 to 6% up. But it's just not possible to take exit straight away because the brokers won't even, fill your orders of exiting. So there we go.